Model, 66-plate Ford Focus hatchback 1.0 EcoBoost 125 Zetec 5dr low mileage, Euro 6 ULEZ, spares OR repair. Body, white, hatchback. Mileage, 59,285. MOT, 26 September 2024. Engine, 999 cc 1.0125 PS EcoBoost S6e. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, timing belt has snapped. Engine will need repairing or replacing, clean motor for the right person. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after car. Features, start-stop, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear.